there! Welcome back to B&B Profits channel. Today, we're in the heart of Canggu, Batu Bolong, just 900 meters from the pristine beach. That's just over there. I'm Kelsey, and I'll be your guide through this extraordinary villa that defines a tropical retreat for families in Bali. Come on, let's go! The villa spans 500 square meters across 2 floors on 300 square meters of land. It's fully furnished with 5 ensuite bedrooms. Wow, this is so beautiful. This open floor living space is definitely where the magic happens. Carefully curated arranged tropical plants, and right over here, a seamless view of the pool. It has a huge sliding door that can fully open and enclose, blending indoor luxury with outdoor scenery, all under central air conditioning for your comfort. Hey guys! Imagine after a long day in Canggu, you get to come here and lounge on the sofa cushions, catching up on your favorite shows on a 65-inch TV with a high-quality soundbar. Doesn't it sound like an ideal evening for you? This villa is currently on the freehold. It's a lasting vacation home, also currently on Airbnb rentals. It's a great investment potential. I'm talking about walking distance to the beach for surfers, the Body Factory, cafes, restaurants, and many, many more. This villa is really well located within the hot area of Canggu. Thanks to its tucked away location, it enjoys its peace from the bustle. Now, imagine a dinner experience with loved ones with a huge and warm teak table set for 8 to 10 people, promising memorable dinners with loved ones. And the space flows seamlessly into the kitchen. We have a complete kitchen with fully modernized appliances, with a big terrazzo island for perfect gatherings. Totally ideal for big family groups. Come with me and we'll go to the bedroom. The bedroom features elevated hardwood deck, which is really flexible. It also has warm lighting against polished cement walls. While the ensuite is fitted with terrazzo flooring, it's simply luxury redefined. What an amazing outdoor space! This area has 10-meter lap pool with a tanning ledge, surrounded by lush tropical plants, and a poolside deck with loungers. Just next to the pool, we have 2 of the bedrooms, the second and the third. Come, let's have a look. Each mirroring the tranquil luxury of the first, with hardwood decks and terrazzo floored ensuites. This bedroom is exactly like the first one, but as a bonus, it has the pool view, which is incredibly romantic. And now their master bedroom, the intimacy guaranteed with some extra convenience. A sanctuary for relaxation with an elevated hardwood deck and contrasting polished cement finishes. All these elements create an intimate space for 2. And now, your private kitchenette, where you can cook yourself a meal or a simple beverage. The shower area speaks volumes to the space, with an intimate shower and tub area that opens to the bed. Plus, we have direct access to the rooftop for unparalleled views. Every inch of this villa, from the luxurious living space to the tranquil bedrooms and the stunning pool area, it is designed with sophistication and comfort in mind. This villa is freehold. It's a lifelong investment located in the heart of Canggu, one of Bali's most in-demand locations. And if you're interested in staying on a vacation, you can book your stay through the link in the description. Thank you for joining me today at Batu Belong. If this tour is to your liking, remember to share and subscribe for more beautiful Bali adventure tours. Until next time.